Hi everyone, so today I'm doing review on Fab India skincare range. Now, not many people have done a full-fledged review on the Fab India product range, and I have been using these products since last 6 to 8 months, and I think they do deserve a full-fledged detailed review of their products. Now, I have used quite a few of them. This is a plain sign. It's gone. So there are a couple of things that I have bought and I want to do a review and I want to share it with you guys. Now all the items that I'll be reviewing will be listed down below in the description box along with their prices, so yes, you can check it out. And coming to availability, now Fab India I think is pretty much there in all major cities in India. You can even find them online and they have a website, fabindia.com. I'll link that. So the first thing that I'll be reviewing is the Fab India Tea Tree Toner. This is how it looks like. It comes in a clear plastic bottle with a nozzle and a spray. It's a spray bottle. You can either spray it on a cotton pad and dab it all over your face, or you can directly spray it on your face. It claims to be alcohol free. And now toner is something that you can use after washing your face. What toner does it maintains your pH level of your skin. Like after washing your face, the pH of your face changes. It might become more acidic, so it helps in balancing out the pH of your face. So it's really nice and it's good for your blemishes. If you have oily skin, it helps in clearing spots and it gives a very refreshing feel to your face, and it's not at all stingy. And as you can see, I have used pretty much a lot of it. It's here right now and it's really nice. I use it daily. Next I have Fab India face wash in tea tree again, and this is a really nice face wash. It is so great. I have been using this for like 3 months or more daily and it has lasted me a lot. I've already repurchased the new packaging. I'm yet to open it, so you can imagine how great it was for my skin. It's good for oily skin. I don't really recommend it for dry skin people, and it's very effective. It works wonders on your skin. It has got a very nice tea tree smell which is very refreshing, and it helps in clearing your acne as well as blemishes. And also this does not over dry my skin, and it also helps in removing the blackheads. So the next thing that I have is the Fab India Under Eye Aloe Vera Gel. This is the aloe vera gel based under eye cream or under eye gel. This is how it looks like. It's a clear gel as you can see, and for the pricing, the packaging and the quantity I think is pretty much, and you can use it daily under your eye. Now I have got really dark circle problems because I have a very unhealthy sleep cycle. So if you have dark circles, I think you should try this at least. And it's fragrance free. It doesn't have a very strong fragrance, and the good thing about this is it gets absorbed into your skin very easily. You just have to take it, a little quantity, dab it under your eye and just smoothen it out and just go inward and outward circles, and it's good to go and you can sleep after it. So the next thing that I have is one of my favorite products from Fab India. It's their body wash and the flavor is mint rosemary. This is how the packaging is. It's a plastic bottle with a little this knob thing from which the product comes out, and the day I bought it, I have been using it daily. It is so nice. The smell is wonderful. If you're a mint person like me, you will love it. So just go and buy it. It's that good. So talking about the body wash, it just takes 1 or 2 drops if you're using it with a loofah to clean your whole body. It does not dry out at all, and it's very nice and refreshing. Whenever I take a bath with this, I feel so refreshed and relaxed. I just love it. The only thing that I don't like about this thing is the fragrance doesn't last long. Like it just stays with me for like 30-40 minutes. I really wanted it to be a little bit more lasting to make me feel refreshed for a bit longer period. Rest, I just love it. So next thing that I have is the face scrub charcoal. Like if you want to have a daily scrubber for your face to exfoliate, so you can have this. This is how it looks like, and it has got a citrusy lemongrass fragrance, though the fragrance doesn't last that long. I mean, it just goes out after a few minutes you apply it, but I really like it. The texture is quite granulated, but with very little granules, and I use it as a face mask. So what I basically do is I apply it all over my face and let it dry for like 15-20 minutes, and then I just wash off my face. And after washing, you don't feel like something has happened immediately, but after few hours you realize that yes, your skin is a bit soft and refreshing. So yes, this is really nice if you want to have a daily scrubber which is not very harsh. So it's great for oily as well as for dry skin people. What's happening again? The next thing that I have is their aloe vera moisturizing lotion for normal skin. This is how it looks like. Again, it comes in a plastic bottle with a little spray, or the lotion comes out like this. Now the smell is something which I don't like that much. I don't know, I love aloe vera, but this smell I'm not really fond of, and it's a bit sticky for my skin tone. So this is the only thing from Fab India range which I'm not a very fan of. This is the moisturizing lotion. It didn't appeal to me at all. The fragrance is really disturbing. Next I have is their intensive hand cream in the flavor lemon. Now as you can see, I have used a lot of it. The tube is almost going to be empty. I carry it daily in my bag and I just love it. The smell here again is a bit lemonish smell. I'm not very fond of the smell, but it's very moisturizing. It moisturizes so well, and it stays for like 5 to 6 hours, good 5 to 6 hours on my hands, and it's my hands are really drying. So yes, this is really nice, and if you are looking for a cheap hand cream, I think you should go for this. Next from Fab India, I have these body spray. This is in Floral Bliss and this is in Passion Flower. They have a lot of body sprays and I have used like 5 or 6 of them, but these two are my favorites. As you can see, this bottle is almost gone. It's the flavor Passion Flower. It's so nice and refreshing. It's great for summer, winters, any day. And it's very handy and small. You can easily keep it in your pouch, but you have to apply it again and again. The smell goes off after 3 to 4 hours. So this is the Passion Flower, and the next is Floral Bliss. This is also very nice and it has got a very nice consistency, and it claims to be alcohol free, and it just says you can spray it all over your body, and it is for 100 ml, and I think it retails for 180 or 200 rupees. I'm not really sure about the price. I will link it down below for you all. This thing which I want to share with you guys, which is one of my personal favorite things, is the Fab India Relaxing Balm in Lavender. Oh my god, I cannot say much about it. It is so great. The smell is not that lavenderish. The smell is more like camphor, but it is so soothing. What I do is whenever I'm stressed out or my head is aching, I just have it in my hands and I just rub it all over my forehead. The consistency here, it looks like it's a solid frozen substance, but once you apply it on your fingers and you rub it over your forehead, product melts. It literally melts and turns into an oil which nourishes. Also, if you are not a fan of harsh or too strong smell, then you might not like it. So I recommend using the tester or smelling the tester before you buy it. So this is my Fab India product range review. I hope you like it. Please comment, subscribe and like my video, and do comment down below which one of these is your favorite Fab India product, or which one are you going to buy. I would love to read your comments. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.